Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting stock, Nasdaq ticker name KLRA, company name Kailera Therapeutics. Let's start with what this company actually does. Kailera Therapeutics is a biotechnology company. It focuses on developing treatments in the healthcare and pharmaceutical space. Companies like this usually work on new drugs, clinical research, and innovative therapies that can help improve patient outcomes. Since it is in the biotech sector, a lot of its progress depends on research results, trials, and scientific developments. Now let's talk about the recent movement in the stock. Recently, this stock has shown a strong upward move in a short period of time. Such sharp movements are often driven by news, investor interest, or momentum in the market. When a stock suddenly moves up like this, usually attracts more attention from traders and investors. But it's also important to understand that rapid moves can sometimes lead to volatility. That means the price can move quickly in both directions. Now let's look at the chart analysis in simple terms. On the short term chart, we can see a strong upward trend. The price moved up quickly and then started to stabilize around a certain level. This type of pattern often shows that buyers were very active during the move. After a strong rise, stocks sometimes go into consolidation. That means the price moves sideways for some time before deciding the next direction. This is a normal behavior in trending stocks. If the stock continues to hold its levels and shows stability, it may indicate strength, but if it starts losing momentum, we could see some pullback. We could see some pullback or correction. Now let's talk about the future outlook in a general way. Since this is a biotech company, its future largely depends on its research progress, clinical results, and overall developments in the healthcare sector. Companies in this space can grow significantly if their projects succeed, but they can also face uncertainty due to the nature of research and approvals. So it's always important to stay updated with company news, announcements, and industry trends. Before we end, here is a quick disclaimer. This video is only for educational and informational purposes. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before making any decisions. The stock market involves risk and prices can change at any time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.